now, man. You know, we can have a Jamaican president. Nah, that might not work. It's not that I don't think Jamaicans are capable. I think you're very smart, very hard-working people. I just think you're very angry. And if we had a Jamaican president, we would have a new war every week. Every week, he'd be standing in front of the White House, just mad. Just, what Rosa said? Rosa said something? Say it again, Rosa. Say it one more time. No, say it one more time. I'll match up your country. Say it again. Say it again. You don't see the button? You don't see the button? You don't... you don't want me push that button?
Constipated.
When I say constipated, I say bong. Like, jeez, I'm living, I feel bung up. Bung up.
Bung up?
Yeah, like my bong. Like my body bung.
Your body bunged.
Body.
Your booty bunged?
Your booty bunged. Hey, yo, your booty bunged.
You're getting it. You're getting it. Your booty bunged up.
But bong is a real thing that they put in the toilet to prevent like backflow. So they put the bong in the toilet. But as a person, you just say, jeez, I'm bung up. Can't even
Me
do
body
it.
bung up.
Yeah, say it again.
Me body bung up. Ouch. That sounds painful. Me body. I can't